Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a Christmas cleaning video, so I'm going to pop some Christmas music on for you to enjoy and we're just going to get stuck right in. So first of all, I'm going to start with my bedroom, and as you can see, it is quite a mess. I've got presents next to the bed that I still need to wrap, so shush, don't tell the kids. Also, I've got loads of stuff all over the vanity, and yeah, it's just a bit of a mess. So I'm going to give it a quick spruce up. This is kind of my morning thing that I would do anyway, and today I have a lovely pile of washing to get rid of as well, which is you know, a regular thing. Happens daily, I think. So yeah, I'm just starting off by making the bed. This is something I do every morning just to, you know, be organized. It makes me feel so much better when I've made the beds in the morning. This Christmas bedding is super cute. It's from Matalan, but if you buy it, beware because it does run. So yeah, I do love this blanket as well. That blanket there, the red one, is from IKEA and the faux fur is from Dunelm. So as you can see, like I said, there is so much mess up here, so I'm just tidying it all away, getting rid of any rubbish and trying to organise all of that top vanity area. I'm just popping these nappies here into these containers which I bought from Primark the other day. They are super good for stuff like that, and yeah, I'm just going to give it a little wipe down.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way, and oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate.
Right guys, while we're over here, I wanted to show you this mirror. This is my Ricky vanity mirror, and oh my gosh, I bought this in the Black Friday sales and it is the best thing ever. Perfect if you're a vlogger because you can obviously film with it, and also great for doing your makeup. Obviously I've got my organizer here, not too organized at the moment, but it's so good and I love it. So that is my bedroom done. Now let's move on to this room. Oh, the living room. The boys have gone out, so this is what I've been left with. Let me know if this is how your house is left as well when the kids go out. So I'm going to tidy this up right away. Let's go.
A place that I can come home to. Yes, I am on my way. We'll put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday. It means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic day.
So that's the living room done. Let's move on to the kitchen where, yeah, it's a bit of a mess. So I'm going to clear all of the counters. That makes a huge difference, and just give it a little wipe down, and yeah, just put everything away really where it needs to go. So let's get started and tidy the kitchen.
My only wish, I don't need a perfect snowman, and I don't need the bells and boughs, but I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you, and I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Look at all the Christmas lights, how they paint this town in colors, but they hold nothing next to you, 'cause you're shining like no other. Ooh, I don't want what's wrapped in paper. No, I don't long for gifts of gold, but I'll be home for you. Oh, I'll be home for you. And I'll be home for you. I'll be home for you. Following the stars that lead me straight to you, and though this long December night, only you can pull me through. Nothing wrong with cheers and carols. Oh, nothing wrong with sleigh bells in the snow. But I'll be home for you. Oh, I'll be home for you. Ooh, I'll be home for you. There is nothing else I wish for. Won't you make my dream come true? Let's not wait another year. Make me wish you were here. I'll be home for you.
Now that's the kitchen all done. I'm not going to mop today because I already did that yesterday, but I am going to put some Zaflora in the sink. This is Festive Fireside, which actually I got last year. I'm not sure if they still have this one this year, but it smells super festive, so I love this one. Let me know what your favourite Zaflora is as well, because I love trying new ones and I haven't tried many of the new winter ones this year, so let me know what your favourite winter fragrance is. And that, guys, is my Christmas clean with me all over. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you so much for all of your support in 2019. This is actually my last video of 2019 because I'm having a little Christmas break. So I will see you all in the new year. So have a happy Christmas and a very, very happy new year. Bye, guys.